Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of lumpy, uneven smoothies that just don't hit the spot? Do you dream of creamy, perfectly blended drinks right from your kitchen? Or maybe you're just on the hunt for a reliable glass blender that can keep up with your healthy lifestyle? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of glass blenders to bring you the ultimate countdown of the best glass blenders for smoothies. Let's blend right in. 7. Bella 10-Speed Countertop Blender. This blender caught my eye with its unique flip-and-store design, which is a real space saver in cramped kitchens. With a 450-watt motor and a 48-ounce glass jar, it promises versatility for smoothies, salsas, and even soups. I was excited to test its 10-speed settings, which offer a range of control from a gentle stir to a high-speed blend, all managed by a simple dial. The stainless steel blades look durable, and the dishwasher-safe parts hinted at easy cleanup. When I first used the Bella blender, I whipped up a basic berry smoothie with frozen strawberries and bananas. The setup was a breeze, and I loved how compact it felt on my counter. The flip and store feature really does reduce storage space by up to 50%, which is a huge plus if you're short on room. However, I noticed the 450-watt motor struggled a bit with the frozen fruit, taking longer than expected to get a smooth consistency. It got there eventually, but I had to run it on the highest speed for quite a while. I also tried crushing ice for a refreshing drink, and this is where I hit a bit of a wall. The blender managed to break down smaller ice cubes, but larger chunks were a challenge, leaving some unblended pieces at the bottom. Additionally, the noise level at max speed was pretty high, which might be an issue if you're blending early in the morning or in a shared space. 6. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. This blender comes with a 700-watt motor and a 40-ounce glass jar, which is a step up in power from the Bella. It features a patented wave action system designed to pull ingredients down to the blades for smoother results, along with 12 blending functions accessible via a simple 5-button control panel. The stainless steel Ice Saber blades looked promising for crushing ice, and I was eager to test its performance with smoothies. My first test was a classic fruit smoothie with bananas, berries, and a splash of almond milk. The setup was straightforward, and the wave action system did a decent job of keeping ingredients moving toward the blades. The result was a fairly smooth blend, though I noticed some small chunks of frozen berries remained after the initial cycle. I had to run it a bit longer on a higher setting to get a better consistency, which wasn't a huge hassle, but not as seamless as I'd like. Next, I tackled ice crushing for a frosty drink. The Ice Saber blades handled smaller ice cubes reasonably well, but larger chunks didn't break down as evenly as I'd hoped, leaving some noticeable pieces. The 700-watt motor is decent, but it's not the most powerful for heavy-duty tasks, and I could hear it straining a bit during this test. Also, the glass jar, while durable and resistant to staining, makes the unit heavier than plastic alternatives, which might be a drawback if you move your blender often. 5. Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. Coming in at number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender, another contender from Hamilton Beach with a 700-watt motor and a 40-ounce glass jar. Like the Power Elite, it features the wave action system for consistent blending and comes with 14 blending functions, including options to whip, puree, and grind. The Ice Saber blades are designed for crushing ice, and I was curious to see if it outperformed its sibling on this list. Testing it with a berry smoothie, I found the Wave Crusher to be quite user-friendly. The controls are intuitive, and the wave action system effectively pulled ingredients down to the blades, resulting in a smoother blend than the Power Elite. There were fewer chunks left behind, and the process felt quicker overall. The glass jar held up well, showing no signs of scratching or staining, which is great for long-term use. I also tried crushing ice, and the Ice Saber blades did an impressive job, leaving a smooth consistency with minimal large chunks. It's not perfect, but it handled the task better than the previous two blenders. The dishwasher-safe parts made cleanup easy, and the mess-free pouring spout was a handy feature when serving drinks. I used it for multiple servings, and the 40-ounce capacity was just right for a small family or batch prep. Making a green smoothie with spinach and frozen mango was another success. The blender processed the fibrous greens well, and I didn't need to stop and scrape down the sides as often. 4. ZWILLING Enfinigy Personal Blender. At number 4, we have the ZWILLING Enfinigy Personal Blender, a sleek and compact option with a 500-watt motor and a 20-ounce Triton jar, which is break-proof and BPA-free. It's designed for single-serve smoothies, featuring a powerful cross-blade with serrated edges and 2 automatic programs, Smoothie and Pulse. I was drawn to its modern design and the included to-go drinking lid, perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Testing this blender with a single-serve smoothie of kale, banana, and almond milk, I was impressed by how well it handled fibrous ingredients. After a few 40-second cycles, the result was a smooth, uniform blend with no large chunks of kale left behind. The serrated blades really shone here, cutting through tough greens with ease. The compact size also made it a breeze to store in my kitchen. I tried making a protein shake with frozen berries, and the results were equally satisfying. The texture was silky, and the drinking lid turned the jar into a convenient travel cup, which I loved for quick mornings. The 500-watt motor felt sufficient for personal portions, and the one-button design with a hidden display added a touch of elegance to the overall experience. Cleanup was simple, since the jar and lid are dishwasher safe, though the blade assembly needs to be cleaned by hand. I also tested it with a small batch of hummus, and surprisingly, it did a fantastic job for such a compact blender, producing a creamy spread in just a few cycles. 3. NutriBullet NBR-0601. Landing at number 3 is the NutriBullet NBR-0601, a personal blender with a powerful 600-watt motor and stainless steel extractor blades. It comes with 24-ounce and 18-ounce cups, making it ideal for single-serve smoothies and shakes. Its cyclonic action is designed to break down tough ingredients, and I couldn't wait to see how it performed in my kitchen. I started with a green smoothie packed with spinach, frozen pineapple, and yogurt. The NutriBullet blended everything into a silky consistency in under a minute, with no unprocessed bits left behind. The 600-watt motor powered through the frozen fruit effortlessly, and the cyclonic action ensured everything was evenly mixed. I was genuinely impressed by the speed and efficiency. Next, I made a protein shake with ice and protein powder, and the results were just as good. The texture was smooth, and the ice was fully incorporated without any chunks. The included lip rings made sipping straight from the cup super convenient, especially for post-workout drinks. The compact design also meant it didn't take up much counter space, which is a big win. I tested its durability by using it daily for a week, and it held up beautifully with no signs of wear. Cleanup was a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, and the non-slip base kept it steady during blending. Whether I was blending nuts for a smoothie base or just mixing fruits, the single speed setting was powerful enough to handle most tasks with ease. 2. ASTRALSHIP ASH01S. At number 2, we have the ASTRALSHIP ASH01S, a countertop blender with a robust motor ranging from 26,000 to 60,000 RPM and a thick glass blending cup. It boasts 14 preset functions, including options for nut milk, soups, and smoothies, plus a unique heating feature for hot blends. I was thrilled to test its versatility and power in my kitchen. My first test was a tropical smoothie with frozen mango, banana, and coconut milk. The high-speed motor pulverized the frozen ingredients in seconds, delivering one of the smoothest blends I've ever made. The thick glass jar felt incredibly sturdy, and the 8-leaf stainless steel blades cut through everything with precision. I couldn't believe how creamy the result was. I also explored its heating function by making a hot vegetable soup. The ability to cook ingredients from raw right in the blender was a game changer. After setting the soup function, it heated and blended the veggies into a velvety texture in about 30 minutes. The keep warm and timer functions added extra convenience, letting me prep ahead without worry. Testing a nut milk recipe, I was blown away by how well it handled almonds and water, producing a rich, homemade almond milk with minimal effort. The auto-clean function made cleanup a snap. Just add water and press a button. The locking lid provided peace of mind during blending, ensuring no spills or accidents. In conclusion, the ASTRALSHIP ASH01S is a powerhouse blender that combines high-speed blending with innovative heating capabilities. 1. Ninja HB150C. Finally, at number 1, we crown the Ninja HB150C, also known as the Ninja Foodie Cold and Hot Blender. With a 1000 peak watt motor for cold blending and an 800 watt heating element, this blender offers unmatched versatility. Its 64-ounce glass jar, 56-ounce blending capacity, and 12 Auto IQ programs make it a standout for smoothies and beyond. I've tested it extensively, and it's clear why it's the best. I started with a large batch of berry smoothie, and the Ninja crushed ice and frozen fruit into a perfectly smooth drink in under a minute. The Pro extractor blades and high-speed motor left no chunks behind, and the 56-ounce capacity was perfect for serving multiple people. The texture was silky, rivaling even high-end blenders I've used. Next, I used the heating function to make a creamy tomato soup from raw ingredients. The precision heating element boiled the mixture in minutes, and the blending program turned it into a restaurant-quality soup. The ability to cook and blend in one appliance saved me so much time, and the flavor was incredible thanks to the heat infusion. I also tested ice crushing for frozen drinks, and the Ninja handled it flawlessly, producing evenly crushed ice with just a few pulses. The glass jar felt sturdy, though it's heavy and not dishwasher safe due to the heating element. Even so, the heated clean program made cleanup manageable, tackling sticky residues with ease. Final thought. Thanks for joining me on this countdown of the best glass blenders for smoothies. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Until next time, keep blending and stay healthy.